23. If Sohan, while selling two goats at the same price, makes a profit of 10% on one goat and suffers a loss of 10% on the other, then what is the net result of these sales? Whether he makes a profit or suffers a loss. Here we have four options. Option A, he makes no profit and no loss. He makes a profit of 1%. Option C, he suffers a loss of 1%. Option D, he suffers a loss of 2%. Here it is given that selling price of two goats are same. Let us take selling price of each goat equal to P. Then for two goats he get total selling price equal to 2P. Then here it is given that makes a profit of 10% on one goat and suffers a loss of 10% on the other. Then what is the net result? That is what we have to find. We know if cost price greater than selling price, that means the price which he bought the goats is greater than that of the price which he sold the goat, then he suffers loss. Suppose cost price, that is CP, cost price CP is less than selling price. Selling price is more than that of cost price. That means he got some gains, made profit. So to say whether he makes a profit or suffers a loss, we have to find the cost price. Already we know the selling price. If cost price is less than selling price, he made profit, he made gain, otherwise he lost. So to find cost price, here it is given that makes a let us take price of first goat equal to cost price of first goat equal to X. Then adding some 10% profit, he sold it for P. Then this we can write as 10 by 100x, this is equal to P. Simplifying this we get x plus 0.1x equal to P. 1.1x equal to P. Take this 1.1 right side, it become x equal to cost price of first goat equal to P divided by 1.1. Similarly, cost price of second goat equal to Y. Then he suffers a loss of 10% and sold it for P. Then Y minus 0.1 Y equal to P. 0.9 Y equal to P. The cost price of second goat equal to P by 0.9. Then total cost price equal to X plus Y. P divided by 1.1 plus P divided by 0.9. So simplifying this we get 0.9P plus 1.1P divided by 1.1 into 0.9. That we get 2P divided by 0.99. So this is the total cost price. And we know selling price equal to 2p. Then we have to find what is the percentage change in cost price and selling price, whether he incurred a loss or he makes profit. So see here, total cost price minus selling price divided by cost price total. What is the percentage change in the cost price after selling? That is what we have to find. So cost price minus selling price, we get what? If this is greater, cost price minus selling price is greater than 0, that means he suffers a loss. If cost price less than SP, selling price, then he makes profit. If cost price equal to selling price, then he neither made profit nor suffers loss. So here we know cost price equal to 2p divided by 0.99, and selling price, already we know total selling price equal to 2p. It is given here, total selling price equal to 2p divided by total cost price. Simplifying this, we get 2p cancelled. We get, simplifying this, we get, here we have 100. 1%. So here 1% positive, that means CP total minus selling price is positive, means he suffers a loss of 1%. Cost price is more than that of selling price by 1%. So he incurred a loss of, he suffers a loss of 1%. Option C is the answer. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.